Good morning guys and welcome back. So today we're going to do a DIY trail repair. So a while ago I was out wheeling and I slipped down like a little bit of embankment and I smashed the side of the Jeep on a tree log and it's made a nice little crease in the side of the Jeep there. And now I know a lot of people probably wouldn't bother fixing these because it's like a battle scars, like yeah, I've gone wheeling and stuff like that. But I like to keep my Jeep looking really nice, especially because I daily drive it to work every day. So today we're going to try and fix that. So what I've got is, I went on Amazon and picked up this nifty little paintless dent remover tool. They're pretty cheap, so it comes with this little dent puller. Also comes with all these little tabs. So there's probably 30 different tabs you get from various sizes, really small to really big, depending on what size dent you've got to pull out. So we're only working with like quite small dents, so we're going to be using these small ones. Now some kits you can get come with a glue gun, and other kits don't, so I opted for the cheaper one because we've got the glue gun at home already. So all I had to do was go out and buy some more glue nozzles, which were pretty cheap. They're only $3 for 12 of them. Really inexpensive, and hopefully we can pull out some of these dents. It might be quite hard because I think the skin on this particular part of the Jeep is like kind of double layered. If you look from underneath, there's nowhere to actually get behind there and pull the dents out from behind, actually push it out like you would do with like a typical guard. So the only option we've got is pull it from the front. So today we're going to be trying to pull them out with this dent remover. It might work, it might not work, but let's see how we go. Let's get started. Alright, so the idea is that we're going to put hot glue on this and stick it to the dent and should pull out. So I've let this heat up nice and really hot, and just going to stick a whole heap of glue on that and stick it to the dent. Push quite hard, make sure it's nice and stuck on there, and if this doesn't, if that doesn't work, we might try to heat up the guard a bit, try and loosen that metal up. They say that if it's liquid, it can't be bent, so we'll try this first. It's probably less likely to stuff up the paint even more. So the idea is it's nice and stuck on there. We've got our puller. It's got like a little groove in there that you hook around the actual little grommet, and these two plates sit on the guard and you create pressure. You can adjust the height of the spring here by adjusting this tab here that just spins out and in. Place it on the guard, create a bit of pressure on it, and alright, so after I pull that out, it's just left a bit of a residue on there. All you got to do is get some hot water, or you can get some paint thinners or something like that, and just heat up that glue again. It should pour it straight onto my foot. And I'll just loosen that glue up so you can. It's a little bit annoying, but you can really see that it's pulled that dent out. Alright, so it's definitely pulled that dent out. It pulls it from the centre. If you saw when that glue was there, you could see that actually it's pulling from the centre. So what we've got to do is line that up with the centre of the dent. It pulls it out. Pretty happy with that. It's not going to get absolutely perfect. It's still a cheaper option than going to a professional and getting them to do it. But if you went to a professional, they'll be able to do it, so it's absolutely perfect because that's what you pay them for. But cheap trail fix. This is a great idea. Just getting it looking a little bit better again. Definitely got that. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera or not, but it's definitely got that crease out just here a little bit. Now what we've got to do is work my way down to the bottom, and then we're done. Really happy with that actually. Well, obviously something like this is going to take time. It's quite a big crease in there, so got to be patient, work it through. Might have to heat it up. So the glue gun I'm using as well is just from a reject shop. I think it's $3. The glue for a 12 pack was $3. I'll try a bit more glue. Oh, it's nice and hot. Okay. Is it maybe the heat from the glue is loosening up the like metal as well, or like making it a little bit softer, make it easier to pull out. So push that in nice and tight. Feels nice and tight in there. Loosen that off. Pull the string out. I can see it pulling out. Grab you guys over here. Alright, so I've got that on nice and firm. I've applied pressure by tightening this. And if you look at the guard just here, you can actually see that flexing, and it's going to pull that dent out. So I'm just applying pressure very slightly. Can you guys see that on camera? And now that dent should be propped out. Now I'm just going to go along with the heat gun and just heat it up a little bit. It might expand the metal and make it a little bit easier to pull those dents out. Now I won't be applying too much heat just in case it starts trying to strip that paint. So I'll just take it nice and slow and easy and see how we go. Alright, so I just did some heat as you saw there, and kind of just did the same process again with using the heat gun and the little dent pullers, I suppose you call them, to try and pull those dents out. And it actually worked quite well. It was a bit more of a process because you had to heat it up. Didn't try to make it too hot, just in case it started pulling that paint off. I don't know if it's too hard to see on camera or not, but you guys might not be able to see it, but it's definitely made a massive difference compared to what it was, especially from this morning and the day I did as well. Now I could go along with paint, pen and touch up all the little scratches and stuff like that, but it's a four-wheel drive, you don't really need to. But for $23 and an hour at home on a Saturday morning, it's not too bad at all. So really happy with the results. So I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to check out this product. I bought it off Amazon, really cheap and easy if you guys got any dents in your four-wheel drive that you want to fix up. But super easy trail damage to fix that anybody can do at home. So that's it for today guys. I hope you like this video. Please hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with the weekly videos. We'll be announcing the giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. We'll be announcing the giveaway prize in the next couple of videos for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It'll be really personal to whoever wins it, and it'll be a one-off piece just for you guys. So really excited for that. So make sure you guys stay up to date. And if you've got anything to add or would like to see any videos, please leave it in the comments. Love to hear from you guys. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.